Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to take a look on more RDD transformations. So here we will be talking about RDD transformations such as groupByKey, reduceByKey, and sortByKey. Now let's create our Spark session, and then we'll perform our demo down there. Here what we have definition, a pair RDD is an RDD where each element is a pair, so it has a key and a value, and it allows grouping, reducing, and sorting by keys using transformations such as groupByKey, reduceByKey, and sortByKey. Now let's take a look on each of the transformation. So groupByKey, it groups all the values with the same key into a list. So this can be expensive due to the data shuffling. The reduction by key transformation combine values with the same key using a reduction function, efficient due to the pre-aggregation. And then finally we have sortByKey that sorts the pair RDD by the key. And now I have a data here. You can see that this is a key pair data. We have Amir, that's this is the name, and these are the purchase amount, and you can see that these are the keys, and these are the values for our keys. Now we have multiple records here for Amir, and then we have multiple records for Ali here as well. So we are going to take a look on how we will use the group by and reduce by keys as well in this scenario. So here I'm creating a new RDD called PairRDD, and we are using spark.spark_context.parallelize and then providing this data. This is going to go ahead and create my PairRDD. Now once my RDD is ready, I can apply groupByKey. So I'm creating a new grouped RDD here, and using the PairRDD that I just have created on top, and now you apply a group by transformation. So what's going to happen is going to group all purchases by the customer, right? So those are our keys and then the values. So let's go ahead and execute this and see how exactly this works. So I'm gonna run this part. So we can see that we have our key right here, and then a list of the values right here, and you have Ali here and the list of the values here. So as each record, let's say Amir, it was repeating twice here, so you can see that 300, and then we have Amir 200. The same thing we have for Ali 150 and then 100. So for each of the keys, the values are put together right here. So you can see right there. Okay, now what we are going to do here, if you see that I have used this for to loop through those values, and I cannot simply directly use the collect and print that, because if I do that, it's not going to show in a nice format, because this become a kind of object that you get that in the when you create this grouped RDD. So here, if I will exactly show you, let's say if I want to do this something, that's why I would show you right here. So you have print, and then now if I will execute this and see right there, so that's why after using collect here, and if I just simply try to print this RDD, it does not show me all those nicely formatted values. It shows me this object. So then I have to loop through this object and get the values, these values. So that's why if you have seen this line of code right here, that is a K, and K mean keys, list values, and then say 4K for each of the key value in grouped RDD or collector. So I'm looping here to get those the values for each of the key, and that's how I'm showing you these guys right there. Okay, so but that's one of the reason I was not able to directly use this grouped RDD.collect and print it out, because it is returning me this object that you see right there. So we have to loop through that to get the values. So let's go to next one. Now we have reduceByKey and total purchase per customer. So in this case, I'm creating a new RDD, and the same PairRDDs, that's the very first RDD we created from this sample data, and then we send reduceByKey and lambda and b equal to a plus 1. So what I'm doing here, so I'm adding the value. So let's say we have 300 here, and then next value will be added to it, and then for next key, let's say Ali 150, then this value will be added to it. So I'm adding a plus b equal to b, so each value will be keep adding for each of the key. So now let's execute, and you can see that for Amir we have 500, so the values are added. So you can use the reduce by key. You can apply different operations, such as you do, maybe you want to do minus, I don't know, but you can reduce by the key, because once for each of the key you can keep applying those operations on the values, and that's what you are going to get here. So for Ali as well, we have these added the values. Now if I apply minus, what's going to happen is going to give me result in minus, because from first value for Amir 300 minus 200, that gave me 100 right there. So you see right there, that's fine. For Ali, actually it took 100 and then subtracted 100, so give me 50. Then for Raza 450 and then 50, so it'll give me the 400. So you can apply operation depending upon your needs, but mostly you will be doing plus here, and you will be adding those values. Now sort by keys, if you want to do that, you will be creating a new RDD, sorted RDD. Here you say reduced RDD. Let me execute this one first, so we have correct values in this. Here you will say sort by keys, and then what's going to happen, it will sort. So I already have Amir, Ali and Raza, so if I execute, it's going to be executed right there in the order. So it's the sorting by the key and the customer name. So in this case we have Amir, Raza and Raza, but let's change some values. We have already this, if I will say okay, I will just have B test, I don't know which, so if I execute now the last one, you see that right there. So we have Amir here, it starts with AA, so that's first. Then we have Ali A, and then have your B test here, and then Raza comes right there. So you can use a sort by key if you want to sort the results like this, you know. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.